Oh, that's where it went. Okay, well, hey, now you're in my lap. Hey everybody, welcome to Tim Does Stuff, the channel where you can find me, Tim, doing the, the stuff I need to do. Today's episode is brought to you with reluctance. I'm not really interested in showing you inside the garage, but we're going in. I am on the hunt for cardboard. We're gonna make a puppet theater for the kids. Thankfully, I keep cardboard boxes around. And then I'm gonna pair this with, I think, a dump run. All right, you ready? Dun, dun, dun. So, I'm in here. Let's take a look around. Look, I got a piano in here. I got a desk back there. There's an old stroller, the tires, the lawnmower. Hey, lawnmower. And then over here is all a bunch of the garbage. Okay, so I've got random boxes of cardboard. And then there's a big box up there. Over here, that's from the new washing machine. Ooh, jackpot. I think that's our box. This is it. This is the box. There's some stuff in it. I'll just put it in this box. Come on, get out of there. I can see you in there. That's a great choice for a box. Right on. So while I'm standing here, the next part of the plan is to actually get whatever cardboard is in here out of the garage, of course. For the next few minutes, I wander around through the garage and hop over stuff really awkwardly, trying to get all of the cardboard so that I can take it to the dump. It's mostly cat litter boxes. Like, for some reason, I can't bring myself to throw out a cat litter box. Why? They go into recycling. It's free. Throw them out. There we go. At least I've got that out. And now I'm going to shut the garage and you're going to forget that you saw all the stuff that's in there. So I guess the next question is, am I going to take the car or am I going to take the van? Probably the car, because it's my car. It's at the end of the driveway. Oh, this is going to be difficult. Okay, we're loaded. Hooray! It's open! Hello there, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks. I have a whole bunch of just cardboard.
Okay, perfect. Just get that hopper there and then just drive straight out.
Thank you so much. We are not in a rush. Oh dear. Oh, that's bright. Okay. Oh, that's where it went. Okay, well, hey, now you're in my lap. Oh, no. This is reality. Back to life. Back to reality. Jeez. Okay, I have returned from the dump. I am going to go and figure out... I am going to go ahead and figure out the puppet theater now. Part 2. Welcome back to the basement. I brought the box down here because I wasn't really sure where I should do it, but I knew it was like the kitchen is a vinyl flooring. The living room's a click-lock laminate flooring, but I know I would score it. Down here, just good old concrete. Gonna dull the knife probably a little bit, but it's a found knife that was for free. I found it in the garage and it was here when I moved in, so hooray! Alright, so 2 things need to happen before I can start. 1, I need to find something to sit on. And the whole time I'm going to use this. My Nana made this. Okay. 2, I need to... The idea here is that I want to flip this inside out. This is not the way to do anything, by the way. Don't do anything. This is not a how-to video. This is just a how I do stuff video. Ooh, that worked brilliantly! Ta-da! So now... So now the idea is to cut out the hole here. Oh. I just picked up the catfish because it was round and I thought it was the duct tape. That's where that really was, so that's fun. This is not... Now we can make curtains. So I'm going to cut these into like a curtain shape and we're going to wrap some stuff around. We'll get there. Hang on. Okay, now I need to cut that out. Cut it out. Oh, perfect. That's great. Don't do that yet. Again, this is not a knife safety video. Now that I've got this done, I can plot how far in. Oh, I'm a moron. Ah, that was supposed to be that way. Perfect. So I need to get a level. Ta-da! Well, that worked really well. So the next part is, now inside their theater is going to be all covered in pictures of toilets. I should have left it outside right. Oh, guess I could turn it back outside right. Hello. Okay, so I don't know why I'm going to film like this. This is a terrible idea. Now that I've put this all like this, I'm going to flip it all back out so that the outside is the toilet box and the inside is the part that they can color on. You know what? Never mind, forget it. We're just going to leave it the way it is. Look, why am I always sweating? Ugh. This is why I wear a hat. Okay, now that we are done with the whole sharp knife cutting part, I brought the box up here to the kitchen. For curtains, we're going to be using this paper twist stuff. You start out with something like this, kind of roll it out, fan it all open, which I'm going to struggle to do for a little while. Then you get up with this, which we're going to like this. The box, it's going to look like curtains, I think. I don't know. What do you think? Boop. Oh. Really not saying very much, am I? Just kind of making my way through. Since it was their project, I only figured that they should come and help me. Do you want to help me with this?
Yeah.
Okay, use the scissors.
Just gonna be careful with them.
Yes, I hope so. Not that far. A little smaller. A little smaller. There. Perfect. Alright, now that we're done that one, we are going to go ahead and try to get these big long ones all done.
Oh, so we have to open these. Could I do the short ones?
You know what? Where is this one? You can work on.
Could you please help me?
Oh, I sure can, lovey. And then we took some of this gold stretch cord and just wrapped it around here like this and then like that, and then you just tie it up at the back. I mean, you can see what's going on here. This duct tape's the worst. Ugh. Whatever. And there we are. That is the after shot.
It looks like a real theater. This is a very good.
Alright, hey, thanks for sticking around. Please like and subscribe and hit the bells for the notifications and all the, the hallows of YouTube.
Upon a time, there was a little girl called Little Red Riding Hood. She was walking along through the forest until she saw a big bad wolf jump from behind the trees. He took the basket and saw all the goodies. He said, they are my favorites. Little Red Riding Hood took the basket and picked some flowers, and the big bad wolf ran away so he could eat the grandma. That was the plan. She said, where's the big bad wolf? So she walked to Grandma's house. The big bad wolf saw Grandma in the window and said, Dearie, are you ready for the big one? And the big bad wolf said, yes, I am, he said in a high voice. I'm here to give you some goodies. They're for you. And I also bring some flowers. Good. So the big bad wolf went inside and ate the grandma. The little big bad wolf had to disguise as the grandma. Little Red Riding Hood walked again through the forest and looked through the window and saw her grandma in her bed. She went inside. Oh my, said Little Red Riding Hood. What big ears you have. Oh, the better to you. Why? Said Little Red Riding Hood. What big eyes you have. Oh, the better to you too. Said the big bad wolf. Come closer, said the big bad wolf. Little Red Riding Hood took another smile. Little Red Riding Hood, what big teeth you have. Oh, the better to no. The woodsman heard her scream and took the grandma wolf upside down and shook her, and the grandma and Little Red Riding Hood fell out. The three of them chased the wolf away. Don't worry, the